talk about events and conditionals. Do you know what is an event in programming? Well, it's like an action that if we did it, it will cause another thing. Like when we press the light button, what happens? Of course, it will switch on the light or switch off the light. Now, you know what does an event means. So, do you know what does a conditional means? Well, a conditional is like a condition. If it's true or happens, we will do something. If it's false or we doesn't happen, so we'll do another thing or do nothing. Like if it's hot, I will wear light clothes or hot clothes. If not, I will wear cold clothes, heavy clothes. Now we will see these events and conditionals in unblock. Now we have when the green flag is clicked, when space key pressed, or we can change it. Space up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, any A, B, C, D, all the alphabets and all the numbers. And when this sprite clicked, when backdrop switches to backdrop, a specific backdrop, when loudness is more than 10 or anything, when I receive message one, broadcasts, all of these are events. When the green flag is clicked, we'll write the code and it will happen. So it's event, an event. So let's see its code in Python. Now we'll click on this. This will be a function because it's a block. We use it as a function. So you'll say from unblock import events and we'll begin the function. It is an event green flag from def on green flag after these 2 points. We'll delete pass and we will write the code. If you want Python, we will go here and you will see from unblock import event green flag and we will write, but we must leave space because this means we are in the function. But if we deleted these spaces, now we are out of the function. So we will leave space and we will write what does the green flag does in another video. Event key press up arrow or anything you will write, and event received hello, sprite hide, sprite show, these things. Now we have finished the events. Let's go to the conditionals. Now we have if then. So if false, you will write what will happen, pass. You'll delete it and write what will happen. But if else, it has another code. If it's false, so you'll write a thing that will happen, and else this will write what will we put here. So we'll now we have finished our video. If you like the video, take a like and subscribe. Bye.